I'm doing my first Pick My Page today, and it's coming straight from Kenneth. He is my youngest grandson, and his choice was Patriots Day, the Father's Day at Patriots Field, and they were little. They're 11 now, and I think they might have been 2 to 3, something like that. So he chose the pictures that he wants me to use. That's him there, and his twin brother David is there. And the colors he chose was red, silver, or gray, and white and blue. Those are the colors he asked me to use in it. And of course he wants some kind of Patriots logo on there somewhere. That's the things he chose for me. So I'm gonna get started with doing this layout. I have to put it together now. The way this all came together was I was doing a layout. I'm like, what do I want to do? And I thought, grandbabies were all here, all 8 of them. And I'm like, hey, you guys should pick my page for me. And they're like, what? And I'm like, you tell me what picture and what colors or what stickers or whatever you want me to use. And I have to use it in a layout. So that's what we're going to do. So first of all, I went and I printed really light a picture of the Patriots Day. This was the scoreboard and how it looked that day. And I just put it really light because I'm going to use this as part of my paper. It's thin, but I wanted it really super light colors. So I wanted to choose which color I wanted to use as my background. So I have the red, and that brings out a lot of this red right here. I don't know if that's where I want the focus to be on here. It does have dad on there, so that would work. I thought silver would be perfect. However, look how this color's drab down. This makes it look like a dark gray. Don't think I'm going to use that one, so I'm going to put that to the side. I have white, which brings out all of the colors. That's definitely a contender, but I wanted to try the blue as well. And the blue just makes this right here. It does pop all off. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to get my cutter, and I'm going to, first of all, I'm going to cut this blue. I'm going to put it basically on the white background first, but I'm going to cut the white background down to, this is 8.5 by 11, so I'm going to cut this down to probably about 11.5. Let's see. I'm going to make it 11.5 square because I do want to frame this out with a different color. So I'm going to put the white first, and then I'm going to put all right, so I'm going to put the white first, and then I'm going to put on this. I'm going to go ahead and glue this down. I decided I would just work on the process videos with you guys as well, just to kind of show you my it's going to be scary, but thinking. While I'm doing this, I could tell you a little bit about these pictures here. There was these boys are all about sports. Baseball is David's favorite. He also loves football and hockey. He's not prone to any, he's not opposed to any kind of sports at all. Kenneth's favorite is football, but he loves baseball, hockey, and everything as well. So they play this on their gaming systems. They play this at school. They play football and stuff all the time. So if I put the blue here, that's what it would look like. And if I put the red here, trying to decide which one. I think the red may look a little better. We're going to do the red because it does show a little bit of this right here as well, which I didn't notice before. So I'm going to go ahead and put that down. So I thought maybe if you guys would like to pick my page, you can choose a theme. If a certain kind of stickers is something you want, a certain like go-to design, colors, whatever. Just choose what you want, and then I have to make a layout from it. I think it could be a lot of fun. It also is going to be very challenging because my granddaughter, fourth granddaughter, Charlotte, she wanted me to do a layout of, she loves lizards, snakes, bugs of any kind. I know she's a little different. Grandma doesn't like all that stuff. I don't cringe from it, but I don't want to hold a snake in my hand. She's all about that. Each to their own. She's adorable. I wish I could be more like her. But yeah, we're not. I'm not. So, if you'd like to pick my page, you can. Charlotte, however, Charlotte wants me to do all green. All shades of green. That's going to be a bit of a challenge. Anyway, so I'm putting 2 pictures up at the top. And I'm going to put 3 pictures down here. Like this. And I could put them, put them on a backing. I don't usually leave it without some kind of a background. So, God, I wish you guys were here to tell me what to do. Ruthie may just make a decision. You know what? We're going to leave it like this. I didn't do it before the video. We're just not going to do it this time. We're just going to glue these pictures down. It's called Make a Decision. So anyway, we're going to put these pictures down like this. No regrets. No regrets. We're just going to do it. If something messes up, it's embellishing opportunities. I have stickers. We can get that fixed too. Oh, man. So anyway, if you guys, any of you, would like to pick my next page or pick a page from me, I would love it if you would leave a comment down below on what you would like to see. Choose anything that you want, and then I have to do a layout on it. Okay, so there's my base. It works. Now I did go on my Cricut and I cut some things. I also went to my binder and I printed out some, got some stuff out of my binder as well that I had already made. I'm going to put that just above my picture. It looks like the top of that football, so I'm going to put that there. And I am all about, some days I, move things around and I test it and everything else. Today is going to be like, make a decision and just stick to it. We're not gonna criticize. We're not going to second guess ourselves. We're just gonna make a decision. So I do have, because I've made these before, 3 different Patriot signs. I made one, it was pretty big, but then in my binder I had some small ones. So I could do some small ones somewhere. Oh, I do kind of like that there. That's kind of different too. It goes better over this picture here though. But I do want to see if I can use this big one because, I don't want to cover all that football thing up. But I don't necessarily know that it's going to fit up here because of my pictures. It could go right there. I do kind of like that. I wish you guys were here to tell me. I know, make a decision. Make a decision. Just make a decision. Okay, we're going to put it right there. Now I am going to work on building a cluster around this, but in order to do this, I am just going to put this on my page. And then I'll build around it. There we go. Now what I have in my page here, my thing here, is I did print and cut some footballs. And I did do a couple of different sizes so that I would have options. So I'm going to just kind of see here what I like. I do think that big one looks decent right there. I might use more of these, but right now, this thing that I'm using over here is just something I picked up from the Dollar Tree. My husband picked it up for me. I'm not able to get out much anymore, so he goes and he picked this out for me. And it's perfect for sorting and doing these things. Always tell you, look in different departments. because not all of the good containers are going to be in organizing things. So when I had this helmet that I made, and I also had these small stickers that I picked up for the boys before, but I was wondering if I could use this sticker on top of here instead to show a little bit more of that Patriots logo a little better, because it looks like I cut it off a little bit. Like that. Oh, that kind of looks cute. Look at me go, guys. I know. Anyway, I did make some field goals, and I've made a couple of different sizes. I love using silhouettes. It's easy. I don't have to I don't have to play with it too much. So I could put something like that, or maybe over here. Let's let it sit there for a minute and see what we like. I made a couple of football players. That's one thing about silhouettes too, is you don't have to worry about which side's right. You can point it either direction you want and it works. It's a lazy girl's way. This looks like he's trying to throw the football. You can put his leg behind there a little bit. Where do we want him? I need to channel you guys so you guys can tell me, no, put it over there. I do think it looks better over here. Let's just let that, let's find, let's look at that a little bit. I don't know, because it looks like I'm cutting him off and it's kind of weird. How about if I put him at the top? We can make a little cluster up there or something. Anyway, I have some stars, red and blue stars that I made, because I thought it would bring a little color, and I wasn't sure which one I wanted to use, but I thought I could tuck some of them around in here. I'm going to put that up there. I never thought when I asked these kids I asked my kids too, but they haven't come up with anything yet. They're busy, you know. They're busy raising kids, blah, 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 you know. We all know how busy they are. But the grandkids, they did not hesitate. Did not. They absolutely came through for Grandma. And it didn't take them time. And they're just challenging. Oh my gosh, they're more challenging. I thought they'd be easy. They're not. They're challenging me to so much stuff. My second oldest granddaughter, she was really funny because she had this little stylet pen, and it's got a pink swirl in the middle of this little stylet pen. And this girl wants me to create a page for that swirl in there because she thought it was pretty. All pink. And I'm saying, any other colors? No. And I'm like, oh my, you guys are really challenging me. So stick around because I have a lot to go. And I'd love it if you guys would pick my page. Leave a comment down below and I will absolutely make a page for you. Now, let's decorate this little guy here up. Let's give him a little pop. Let's give him a little something, 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 something. Oh, that kind of, oh, if I quit moving it, it looks pretty cool, doesn't it? I do like that. Do we need another star up there, you think? Maybe another red one? Or just move that red one? Oh, I like the way it's kind of overlapping a little bit. Come here, boo. Move over a little, boo-boo. There we go. Oh, you know what? I had those small footballs. This is a silhouette football that came with the football player. He looks like he's about to throw one, so I don't know why he has a football that he's... But we could do something like this. What do you think? Do we need some stars over there too? Or a star? Oh, you know what? I know what we could do. Let's use another sticker over here. Maybe. No, maybe not. How about on him? No? We gotta get another sticker on here. Don't we? Oh, how about right here? I like that. What do you think? Don't I want to move this a little bit. There you go. What do you think? I think it looks adorable. It's colorful. His thing was he wanted me to use red, blue, gray or silver, and white. He wanted me to do the Patriots Day, Father's Day thing here. I like it. It fulfilled the challenge. I am going to get the picture of this over to him when he gets out of school today. Next week is going to be, or this week. I don't know. Spring break is coming up pretty soon. So I'm sure I'll have plenty of kids over here. I'm going to put all of these stickers back in my binders. If that's something you guys are interested in seeing, let me know. I put all of my stuff in binders. And I'm going to do journaling. Maybe here. I'm second guessing myself. Because now I'm wondering if I want the football over here, because this side's kind of crowded. I know, make a decision. I am. Just after you look at it for a few minutes, you decide, hey, you know what? And let's put this guy over here. I think it looked less crowded on that side of the page. Not all the pages I do is this full, but that's adorable. I do think I like him better over there. And this is a different place to put my title, so I like it too. All right, guys. I'm going to glue this stuff down. I'm going to call it. This is what it looks like. This is what it's going to be. I will have so many more of these. I think they chose 9 or 10 different ones that I'm working on. Some of them not as easy as maybe this one. This one was easy because I've done football pages before. This was not a hard challenge for me. Getting the 5 pictures on one page was a little bit of a challenge, but some of them are really, really challenging, and some of them are great. It was great because asking them told me what they meant more, what they wanted in their album. It was fantastic. Leave your comments down below if you want me to build a page for you. I will talk to you guys later. Thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe to this channel if you haven't done so. Hit that alert because you do not want to miss all these pick a page. I have so much more coming for you guys. Bye, everybody.